Kublai shuboni phi baro ki parlok ki bijupe yakine ki channel na kapor shakapor. Hakane ka video ngi dan banwan rai phi ya ki kam ki malai. Hapo jong ka District Social Welfare Officer, South-West Khasi Hills District, Mawkyrwat. Karteng jong ki post ki balai ki long kumne, Counselor, Project Coordinator, Case Worker. Kine ki post ki balai. Ki total number of post ki balai ki dan kumba lai teli. Ka kerdan pulih kan sedang naduk ke kelas 12 pass postgraduate degree but graduate hakabai dei but kini ki discipline tikino kino ki bekwa ban apply nak bentai kini ki post ki balai sngobha benda pe je kini ke video naduk basdang naduk ban tukut nang ba pintem ki kerdan pulih ki bedan kam bat kam tam hakabai dei but kuno ker kwam ban apply but ki bala ban apply ya kini ki post ki belong ki citizens of India ngamut ban ki citizens of Meghalaya te ki weki district ki bedan hapo jong ka Meghalaya bila ban apply ya kini ki post teman tangin pen no ya kene ka advertisement kumba kalang ka office jong ka district social welfare officer ka khwat application na ka bantai ki candidate ki bedai ki citizens of Meghalaya ban pendap ya kini ki post ki bedai ha ka purely contract basis kini ki post ki dai ha ka contract basis bat ka period jongka kadai tang shisnam bat kidang la arupan extend ya kene ka post kat kom ka performance jongu candidates list of vacant posts on the district child protection unit and child helpline South-West Khasi Hills District kene kadai ka posting na ka bentai kene ki post teman tangin pen no ya kene ka post ka benang kong kadai counselor apo jong district child protection unit number of posts tang kawai ke element kedai arpwe do lai po arsnam but sansnam kedai ke relaxation nak bentai ki SD candidate salary kedai khat prajar san spa lai penru hak shibnai kerdan pulih bedon kam kedai ben pendap ya ke graduate ke social work sociology psychology public health counseling ka beli thu da ke university lane bila ban apply la da pi pendap ya ke PG diploma ke counseling and communication ka work experience pedai dan shisnam ke counseling with the organization like the government and NGOs, preferably with the field of women and child development proficiency in computer. Kapos ka baar kadai project coordinator hapo ka child helpline. Kaposting jongka kadai hapo jongka child helpline. Number of post jang kawai karta kadai arpwe do lai punyos nam naga bentai ki SD Life hojar ka salary ha kashibnai kerdan pulih bedan kam postgraduate dan graduate ha ka social work sociology child development human rights public administration psychology psychiatry law public health community resource management ka beli thu da ke university lani arts name ka experience ha ka project formulation implementation monitoring and supervision in preferably in the field of women and child development social welfare ka experience pendai dan arsnem ha ka office administration with government or NGOs proficiency in computer nang ka ki khamjit ya ki candidate may be given to personnel of working in emergency helplines ki khamjit ya ki candidate kibla traitang ha po jong ki emergency helplines ka balai ke case worker ka posting jong ka kene po jong ka child helpline ka kong ka number of post dan takwis ka harta kedai arpwe do life news nam salary kat sahojar shibnai kerdan pulih class 12 pass ka beli thu da ka vote good communication skill weightage of experience candidate ki khamjit ya ki candidate ki bla tre po jong ka emergency helplines but pidai belong ki ba profession ba aka computer tekino kino ki bedon jing lani ki bakwa abun kali ka bai dei bet kini ki kerdan pulih pila abun comment po comment section jong kani ke video teman tangin pen no sakawai pat ke bentak along ban submit ya ki application form karukom ban submit ya ki application form kadai offline mode during office working hours from 19 June 2026 katarik ka ba phila ban lejbu ya ki application kila ai ne nadu ka khat khandai June arhajar ar pendrew kelas date kan kod adu ka Laitkam Julai arhajar ar pendrew apo ka office jong ka child district child protection unit South-West Khasi Hills District Mawkyrwat dakan mau kadai ke offline mode kumta pidai ban penbiang ya ki kod kisla ke jong phi ka berengkong ke standard form ka baar ka bayi data ka balai pidai benda self attested ya baro ki dokumen ki jong phi nangta don kam artli ki dur passport size bat adin kata pihak ban tab ya kini ki dokumen ki jong phi ha ka wei na ki self address envelope tab ya ki dokumen ki jong phi ha po jong ka envelope bat pidai benda self address ya ka pihak ban tho ya ka address jong phi ka teng la jong bat ka post ka ba phi apply bat ro pidai ban wanra ro ya ki original certificate ki jong phi la da don kam ha ka te ka sngi ha ka por ba phi la submit ya ki application bat da kan mau ro ba ka por ba phi apply ngom ba ban da apply separate application form la da phi kwa ban apply baro lightly pidai ban I separate application form lightly ki application form na ka ban ta kini ki post bat ki application ki papidang da ki wei pat ki rekomban apply kin sha reject hang ne la mention clearly kadai ka offline mode ka payment office kan long shis pa tengka na ka banta ki general category san pho tengka na ka banta ki SC but SD candidates bat ka rekomban siu ka long kumni link ba ka demand draft in favor pihak ban tho ya ka district social welfare officer South West Khasi Hills District Mawkyrwat bat ya ka ni ka demand draft pihak ban lech siu po jong ka state bank ka badai ka national bank phila ban yo na po jong ka national bank kum ka wei na ki ka state bank ka dei wei na ki national bank te phila ban yo na po jong ka state bank ya ka ni ka demand draft de hadin ba phila dep siu ya ka ni ka demand draft da kan mau hadin ba phila dep yo ya ka payment receipt ka jong phi pidai ban submit lang bat ka ni ka application form kaban kong pidai ban siu shwa ya ka demand draft hadin kata select submit ya ki application ki jong phi ringkat bat ka ni ka payment receipt bat hadin jong ka ni ka payment receipt jong ka ni ka demand draft ka jong phi pidai ban tho ya ka kerteng jong phi ka address la ni ka shnong ka jong phi ki phone number bat ya ka post ka ba phi apply dakan mau bahaban le ya kata ba pidai ban tho ya kerteng jong phi address phone number bat ya ka post ka ba phi apply hadin jong ka ni ka demand draft ka element ka dei arpwe do lai pu ar snam san snam kan dei ka relaxation na ka bantai ki SC with SD candidates dakan mau ka last date ban apply ka dei lai June lai Julai ar jar ar do ado ka san bije jan met teki incomplete application kin sha reject lam dadan kano ka jing pentep teki jing tep khamnya phila ban yo na po jong kani ka district website southwestkhasihills.gov.in ha ka bai dei bat kini ki advertisement lane phila ban pe na po description jong kani ka video phila ban download ya kani ka advertisement ki candidate pidai ban wanra ya ki original document ha ka por jong ka interview ki bomonra kin sha disqualify teki candidate ki dei ruben check na ka por ha po jong kani ka website na ka banta kani ka examination ki candidate ki haban appear ya ka examination ka typing test but personal interview at his or her own expenses kanam don kati EDA na kabanta ki candidate ki ban attend na kabanta kini ki stage hakabai day but ka examination typing test but personal interview dia kini ki video ngidon ban wan ra IP tan kini ki jimpentem ku blaish bon